Hello, welcome to Bertley Speaks, and today I want to talk about a topic that is very important to me that I recently did. I quit my dream job as a graphic designer. I remember the days of me being a college student where I would just sit at my desk thinking about that day when I landed my first dream job as a graphic designer. And I ended up working in the marketing and advertising industry for 7 years. I recently quit. I left that dream job. It wasn't because I hated that dream job. It was actually because my dream job taught me how to dream bigger. Okay, before I give you context, quick story about me. Growing up as a kid, I've always wanted to be a blue Power Ranger. Yes, I wanted to be saving the world wearing this blue amazing suit. But then fast forward, I got my dream job as a graphic designer. I worked with Fortune 500 companies in big name brands like Target, General Mills, Publix, Walmart. I worked with them to repurpose their brands, their services and products so that they can accumulate billions and billions of dollars through advertising campaigns and digital campaigns. But as I was working as a graphic designer within the advertising industry and making other businesses and Fortune 500 companies richer and richer, I left that dream job after 7 years in this industry. Not only was I designing, but I was also speaking on the side. I was also mentoring and coaching on the side. So I was living two worlds. But the reality is, it's exhausting. Balancing both worlds, oh man, that took so much energy from me. I burnt out a lot. There will come a time where you just have to choose. Believe in yourself and go all in. And that's exactly what I did. I went all in on my passion as a speaker and a coach. I launched Bertley Speaks as a speaker, coach, and designer. And what that taught me was that even though I've been working my butt off 80+ hours for my agencies and my companies and the businesses, out of all of that, passion and purpose taught me to be resilient. It stayed the same. It never let me down. And that made me realize how important it is to have passion. That's what drives your purpose and your fire that's inside of you. So I want to dive into the second one, which is I just needed one result to leave my dream job. I wanted to make my big break of like, hey, if I can make my speaking business work, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna do it. And one day I'm reaching out, I'm working hard, I'm sending all of these prospect emails, and I hear back from this university, River Falls, Wisconsin of River Falls. They reached out to me, hey Bert, we would like you to become a keynote speaker. So the first payment that I had from River Falls was $900. That was one result that I needed, that I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take it. That one result pushed me harder to pursue my passion as a speaker. I didn't leave right away, but that one result drive my passion, letting me know that if I just went all in on this, imagine the things that I can do. Bam, a college prep program reached out to me. Genesis Works, that was my first $2,000 speaking engagement. Wow. That first $2,000 check and the $900 check, I was like, this is it. I just needed one result. I was like, I believe in myself. I'm gonna take this full on. And because if I could do this, imagine me investing 80+ hours into my own business, the amazing things that I can do for myself, my lifestyle, and for my future. Fast forward, I quit. I left my dream job. I wanted to build a brand that sustained my lifestyle. It was all mindset, all perspective, and attitude. Hopefully when you are thinking about that passion project or that business, don't wait for 5 clients. Don't wait for like making 10 grand a month. Maybe all you need is just one result, because sometimes your passions and your dreams cannot wait. And if you wait, it could be too long and you start to hate yourself. You start to regret it. The most successful stories comes from you taking the first step and saying yes to yourself. I'm super excited to be launching Bertley Speaks with all of you, because within Bertley Speaks, we are turning hobby into income, side hustle into main hustle, and elevating businesses into brands. Stay tuned to learn more about what that means and what I'm bringing into Bertley Speaks. As always, have a practicing mind.